From the Millennium Place to the Channel Center, Patriots Place, and TD Garden, E.M. Duggan has played a key role in getting these buildings off the ground. Nestled in Canton, Massachusetts, the fifth-generation family-run business has made an indelible mark in mechanical trades and pre-construction industry. They offer a full range of services, including design, HVAC, plumbing, sprinkler, special projects, service, 3D coordination, and BIM technology.
Time on a job site is very critical to an owner or a developer. The less time on the job site relates to dollars, so getting in and out and off the site at any given point is paramount.
Since 1891, E.M. Duggan has paved the way by continuously evolving, and despite world economic turmoil in 2007, E.M. Duggan made a calculated move to invest in the future.
It would have been easy to either pull in our horns, close the doors, take the money off the table. We decided that we were going to invest in the future.
Part of that investment came by purchasing cutting-edge technology.
All of our foremen and project managers now have iPads and iPhones, and it's just that really just screams and speeds up the process of communication.
It just leads to us being a more productive and efficient company.
E.M. Duggan also sped up the process by investing with the latest equipment, adding numerous Trimble stations and drive-around coring machines to safely increase the installation process.
We've got to always maintain a leading edge so that we can give the customers the best value.
Adding a high-speed fiber optics between their buildings and continuously updating CAD machines and networks allows them to have the most up-to-date 3D drawings for job sites.
With the 3D software and everything actually drawn out to the real specific elevations, the owners get the benefit at the end of having an as-built drawing of every system that they have in there in its entirety in actuality.
In 1995, Mike, a union plumber, was part of a trio that would hand-sketch buildings. In that time, his department has grown to more than 25 people, and the virtual images from the CAD play a huge role.
We do a tremendous amount of prefab, so everything that comes out of our computers goes out to the prefab shop, gets built and sent out to the job for the guys to install. So, every shower valve, every riser, every piece of pipe, we try to prefabricate it out of our models here so it's much more accurate.
That accuracy takes place in these buildings. Their $10 million prefab shops and warehouse span more than 100,000 square feet, enabling E.M. Duggan to give the customer even greater value with higher quality product in a shorter time period.
It's basically taking the risk out of the field and bringing it to somewhat semi-ideal conditions and fabricating the product indoors.
E.M. Duggan follows OSHA rules, and in the 1960s was the very first company to build a prefab shop. In October of 2014, they constructed another state-of-the-art prefab shop spanning more than 60,000 square feet. These latest world-class additions not only create a competitive edge, it falls right in line with the company's safety mission for their employees.
The benefit to them would be they're working in ideal conditions. It's comfort control, it's not raining, it's not windy, and it's a better, safer environment.
That sentiment is echoed on customer job sites, both during and after a project's completion.
We're the front line for life safety, which involves providing protection for human life.
As a volunteer firefighter and veteran fire protection engineer, Stephen Hilliger and his team are constantly keeping up with the latest fire codes.
Fire Protection Group has gone through an evolution. We continue to keep up with technology changes.
Major technology changes also happen internally. In 2013, the company added solar panels to power their own headquarters.
As a company is changing and obviously evolving, you want to actually do something right for the environment.
The company created a full recycling program and upgraded all of their lighting fixtures, cutting back on half their energy use.
The ability to lower our overhead costs, and it gives us the ability and flexibility to give more back to the employees.
That firm belief in giving back to their employees created a company rich in people and loyalty.
It's a team. When we hire people, their qualifications are obviously important, but the chemistry, the way they handle themselves is also important.
EM Duggan, a place where tradition complements innovation.